So probably the most common complaint about this Zwift Ride frame is the lack of adjustable crank arm. It's a fixed length, 170, and a lot of people like either smaller or longer to match their existing bikes. So Zwift have come up with a solution, the adjustable crank arm. You can see how it's got 5 different spots for you to attach your pedal to, which give you slightly different lengths ranging from 160 to 175. Inside the box here, it's got a wee installation guide. I'm going to do a wee video on this just to make it clear how easy it is. It says you may need professional help. What you need are the correct tools. So what we've got here, small screwdriver for prizing off the cover. We need an 8mm Allen key for removing the bolt from the crank. Crank puller. I've used this previously on a wee job for my son's bike, converting it from my daughter's bike to my son's bike. Cost about £5 off Amazon. I'll find the link for it and post it below. Adjustable spanner to attach onto the crank puller for twisting it. And I'm using a torque wrench to tighten it back up. I think in the manual it said 45 Newton meters. You don't have to use a torque wrench, you can just do it what feels tight, I guess. So before I start, the obvious thing to do is put your bike on your trainer. It's going to make life a hell of a lot easier because it's going to hold it up. I'll go position the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I've done the left side already. I'll do the right side on video just to show you how easy it is. The crank arms are clearly marked with R and L on them so you know which one's which. First thing we're going to do is take our small screwdriver and we're going to stab it in to here and ping off this little plastic cover, which, to be honest, if I was doing this and keeping it, it'd be a bit miffed. It doesn't end up with a very nice finish. You end up with raggy bits on it, but they give us new ones to replace it with, so that's fine. Now we've got the bolt. We've got to take the 8mm Allen key, pop that in there, push one against the other so we can loosen it off. And then keep turning till it comes out. It's quite a long threaded bolt on here. Take that off. Now we're going to use the crank puller. We need to make sure that the bit's all the way back in. Pop it in there gently. Find the thread. And then screw that in as tight as it'll go. And I'm going to turn this one in. Go get the spanner onto it. I'm just going to start turning it again while holding the crank in place. Now I've got some resistance here. Quite tight, so it's probably better doing one against the other like this. There we go. It's going now. I'm going to keep turning this. Eventually just pull that straight off. So I can move my crank puller now. Pop that one in the box or the bin or wherever you want. And then time to fit the new one. What I need to ensure is that my crank that's already fitted, this one needs to go the opposite position from it. So that one's facing down, this one needs to go up. There we go. Got the new bolt. Pop that in. I'm going to just get it in as far as I can with the normal Allen key before I use the torque wrench. Like I said, it's quite a long bolt, so there we go, got some resistance now. And then according to the little manual I got, you'll see here, they suggest using a torque wrench, 45 Newton meters. And 45 Newton meters is actually quite a lot, which you'll see in a minute as I tighten this up. Again, holding the crank to stop it going. There we go, click. And then I'm going to take my cover, make sure that the raised bit, the bigger clip, goes at the very end. You can see there's like a hole for it when you fit it. Pop that in place. Then I can put my pedals on and off I go. So the fitting of the left hand and the right hand cranks are identical. Obviously the only difference is when you put your pedals in, you want to put them clockwise on the right hand and anti-clockwise on the left hand. And you can see here the 5 different sizes from 175 to 160. So hopefully something for everyone. If you found this useful, give me a like please, leave any comments below. And as Zwift would say, ride on.